Welcome back to English Quiz Time. Thanks for clicking on this video. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Choose the correct word. 1. I am, is, are going to the store to buy some milk. Answer, am. Explanation, in this sentence, the subject I requires the verb am in the present tense. Choose the correct word. Do. She, does, did, her homework every day after school. Answer, does. Explanation, when the subject is third person singular, like she, the verb does is used in the present tense. Choose the correct word. 3. We, have, had, a picnic in the park last weekend. Answer, had. Explanation, had is the past tense form of the verb have, which is appropriate for past events like a picnic last weekend. Choose the correct word. 4. The cat, is, are, were, sleeping peacefully on the windowsill. Answer, is. Explanation, the subject cat is singular, so the verb should also be singular, which is. Choose the correct word. 5. They, have, had, been waiting for the bus for half an hour. Answer, have. Explanation, have is the correct verb form for the subject they in the present perfect tense. Choose the correct word. 6. Sarah and Tom, were, are, watching a movie when the power went out. Answer, were. Explanation, when referring to multiple people, Sarah and Tom, the correct verb form is were in past tense. Choose the correct word. 7. My sister, has, had, a beautiful garden in her backyard. Answer, has. Explanation, has is the correct form for the third person singular subject sister in the present tense. Choose the correct word. 8. The children, played, outside until it got dark. Answer, played. Explanation, played is the correct past tense form of the verb play for the subject children. Choose the correct word. 9. The dog, barked, loudly whenever someone knocks on the door. Answer, barks. Explanation, when referring to the present habit or fact, and the subject is third person singular, barks is the correct form. Choose the correct word. 10. I am, is, are, very excited about my upcoming vacation. Answer, am. Explanation, in this sentence, the subject I requires the verb am in the present tense. Well done everyone. You've made it to the end of the quiz. What's your score? Did you learn something new? Comment below and let me know. Like and subscribe. Unit next time.